Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm doing a renovation on my beach batch I bought 5 years ago. My sister Coralie was the architect and she designed an amazing two-storey extension with high arch ceilings and this fantastic master bedroom.
One thing we have been is very surprised at what Coralie's been able to design on the footprint of the section.
And if I say to Jack,
yeah,
you better ask Coralie, he's like,
yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
She said to me, oh, it's all right, I'll be the bad cop. So they are scared of me. The paint we're using for the interior frames, skirtings and doors is Resene Lustracryl and Resene Quarter Alabaster. The handrail
that turned out really well, didn't it? I'll tell Jack that he's done a good job.
He'll be pleased with that. And I've chosen Resene Xylene Sheen and Resene Triple Rice Cake for all of the interior walls. And I'm really pleased with that colour because it's nice and fresh.
It'll look good with the white trim.
And when the trim's white, yeah, it'll do. And this wall I'm going to do in the wallpaper, it's the feature wall. It's going to be quite a high one, so I'll need the scaffold to get up there.
You're going to do that yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, brave.
Helping me choose the right wallpaper to complement the paint is Michaela from Resene ColorShop in Mount Maunganui. I'm just looking for some wallpaper because I'm doing a reno job. My theme is sort of Hampton style.
Hamptons, okay. I know these two books are available.
Yeah, it's a feature wall. So the rest will be painted in this colour here.
Yeah.
Triple rice cake.
Okay. Do you see how this is kind of going a little bit greener?
Not really, I don't see colours.
Next to the...
That's why I'm getting you the expert.
There is this
that's nice.
that I sort of thought about.
Yeah.
So like the two tones here goes with that triple rice cake quite nicely.
Yeah, I like that. I've taken 4 rolls of wallpaper just in case I need them because the ceilings are high. 2980 to the corner. And my old mate Steve, the Eco.Decorator from Resene, is helping me get started.
2980?
Yeah.
So 120.
Hang on, let me think the math. I'm the teacher here.
I still serve that.
So I've borrowed my Builder Jack's laser to make sure I'm hanging it straight. The tricky thing about this wall is the height and the long drop for the wallpaper. So this is my first time up on scaffolding.
Just brush it straight down.
One down. Whoops, that's not meant to happen. Hello. Hello.
You're a bit of a smooth operator now.
Yeah. These are all in fashion.
Yep.
You wouldn't know that, but the wallpaper is big florals back to the 70s.
She's very good. She rates herself, I think. No, I feel really lucky that I'm from a long line of hard-working women that have that kind of can-do attitude and can do it themselves. That's what I've loved seeing with Mum. A mother's work is never done.
It's the last drop.
Do you see that later about now?
I'm just going to cut this excess off, just to get the weight off. Gonna need a warranty light. Happy it's done, but very happy with the result.